Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin Up. I've got a really cool technique to show you, and this is using some embossing folders. So right over here I ran my embossing folders and I used ink inside the embossing folders, and one was a positive and one is a negative, but such a fun way to make a card. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I wouldn't suggest using these bigger images because I don't think it will come out as well. So I have an embossing folder. I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of paper. And I am going to take the embossing folder. I have some Melon Mumbo ink. And you just want to rub it over your embossing folder, like so. Now, I'm going to run this through my Big Shot. Now when you do this, you're just gonna, see what happened? I got a little boo-boo there. But you're just gonna run this under like warm water or just plain cold water. It doesn't really make a difference. But I got a little boo-boo there, but not a big deal. I like it, so I'm gonna roll with it. So this is the indent. Now had I did the ink on the other way, the dots would have been all done. Okay. Now in card making, there's no such thing as a mistake. All right. I'll fold my card base in half. This is Melon Mumbo. I have this cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I'm going to attach this right up here. Like so. I have some basic black. My paper snips. Now I did this for a different project. I had tear and tape on the back here, but you can just add I always like to make it longer and then I cut it away because I'd rather have too much than not enough. And then I have my focal image, and I have it on a metallic doily. The designer series paper is the Myths and Magic, and I have some silver thread behind it, which I've popped up on some dimensionals. Now you're not going to see that, so that's good. I'm just going to attach that to my card. And then for my sentiment, I'm going to use the Picture Perfect Birthday. And I think I will use the Happy Birthday. Where is my block? Now I just use some punches. I use the 1 3/4 inch circle punch and the 2-inch circle punch, and I just punch those out. I'm using some Memento ink, and I am just going to stamp Happy Birthday up there in the corner. And now I'm just going to add some something. Maybe I'll add some of these black rhinestones to this one, is what I'm thinking. Or should I go with the silver? No, I think I'm going to go with the silver. Whoa. And I am just randomly adding some bling to my card. Placement is so random. Like so. So I hope you guys will give this a try. Super easy, you guys, but just a fun way to jazz up your card, just using some embossing folders and a bit of ink. And I hope you'll give today's cards a try. I hope you all have a wonderful day and a safe weekend, and I'll see you soon. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. And yeah, take care.